Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing platform and engine because that shapes every technical decision. Create your Apple developer and Google Play accounts now. You need certificates and store access. Once done, prototype the core mechanic in Unity or Godot for a quick proof of concept. Make sure to version control from day one and set up a basic project structure with folders for art, code, audio, and builds. This early discipline saves weeks later and lets you iterate on the real gameplay instead of fiddling with setup. You now expand the prototype into a playable loop. Add progression, UI, and predictable rewards so players stick. Integrate analytics to capture retention and monetization events. Once integrated, run playtests to validate assumptions and tune difficulty. Make sure to implement IAP and add flows with sandbox testing, then optimize performance for target devices by profiling CPU, GPU, and memory. Use asset bundling and compression to cut build size so installs and updates stay. You finalize store creatives and localized copy because first impressions decide installs. Upload builds and complete metadata, then watch the review process and respond promptly if reviewers request changes. Once live, monitor crashes, retention curves, and monetization funnels daily. Triage critical issues and push hotfixes for crashes or major blockers. If users report bugs you can't reproduce, gather logs and device info. Use staged rollouts to limit exposure, while you fix root causes and validate the patch before full release.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.